In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select date on TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor sometimes needs your travel dates to give you accurate availability and pricing, especially for hotels and certain experiences that change day by day. Providing dates helps the site show you what's actually open and how much it will cost for your exact stay, rather than broad estimates that might not apply when you're ready to book. Start by heading to tripadvisor.com in your browser or open the TripAdvisor app on your phone or tablet. On the home screen, you'll see a search bar. Type in your destination, something like Paris, Tokyo, or your chosen city, and let TripAdvisor pull up the relevant travel options. For hotel searches, you'll notice two fields labeled Check-in and Check-out. These are your date selectors. Tap or click either the check-in or check-out box, and a calendar will appear. This calendar is your date picker. Your first tap on a date sets your check-in day. Your second tap sets your check-out day. After you make those two selections, the range is highlighted on the calendar, and the dates populate back into the check-in and check-out boxes so you can confirm them at a glance. If you tap the wrong date or change your mind, simply select the correct date range again before confirming. The calendar will update to reflect your latest choice. Once you're happy with your dates, look for the Done or Apply button on the calendar and tap it to confirm. TripAdvisor will then use those dates to refine the search results. You'll see availability that matches your stay and pricing tailored to the exact nights you chose. This step is important because rates can vary across weekdays and weekends, holidays, and peak seasons. Entering dates upfront helps avoid surprises and makes it easier to compare options fairly. The same date selection flow applies whether you're on the website or the app. If you're searching for experiences, like tours or activities, you may also be asked for a date so TripAdvisor can show sessions that still have spots. Keep an eye on the date boxes after you confirm. They should display the check-in and check-out exactly as you selected. If anything looks off, reopen the calendar, adjust the dates, and hit Done or Apply again. That's all there is to it. By setting your dates early, you ensure the results you see are relevant, bookable, and accurately priced for your trip.